I am a research student and I have to do a research, but I'm not a full-time student. I have to do my work and also I have to look after my family things, and it is really difficult me to spend a lot of hours to do my research, but I have to do. So this is not only my story, this is your story too, and I'm here talking on behalf of you. Research means a lot of work and it needs a lot of hours, and actually, for an example, to find articles and also even to find the key concept, and also even sometimes even we have all the articles, we don't know how to start. For an example, we don't know how to start our literature review like that. Actually, it is some kind of really big project everyone doing in their lifetime. Today, I'm going to give you a solution, one of your big problem. Today I'm going to show you how to find key concepts for your research paper using Scispace. Why this is helpful, so why we need to identify the key concepts related to research paper. Actually, when you don't know how to start your first draft of your literature review, at that time it is really this will be a really big help if you know the key concepts. Then so that's why identifying key concepts for your research paper is important. Maybe you don't have maybe now you don't get the idea, but at the end of this video you will identify how much it is important. So no need to talk more, let's go and see. This is Scispace dashboard, and today also I'm going to show you how to use Scispace free version. Let's go to left corner and click find concept icon. Now we are landed to new page called find concepts, and here you need to give your research title. I'm giving my research title as impact of pay on employee performance, and press enter. And now it says it takes 25 to 40 seconds. Actually it takes around 30 seconds, and I want to say that Scispace is super fast and also very easy to use, user friendly interface. When we use Scispace, actually I feel basically when I use Scispace I feel so easy to use, and that helped me to keep me so engaged and inspired and without getting dull like that. So this is our result, and actually this is the summary in the upside, and it says like insight from top 5 concepts. Actually this is free version, but if you use premium version you can get top 10 concepts. Let's read insight from top 5 concepts, and actually here you can see there are this information extracted from 5 papers. Here in the blue numbers shows the clickable citation. Once we click this number, we can directly go to the research paper. There is an open access. To save this information, you can click save to notebook, or else you can directly copy this content and paste into a Word document. Now I am going to show you the treasure of this feature. Actually here you can see a table. There's 2 columns. One is concept and the one for sources, and actually this is super amazing, and they have classified relevant concepts, not 5, there are more than 5, and also a clear description about that. And here you can see if we take the first concept, it shares linkage between perception, pay and performance. Sometimes you may not get any idea what is this, so you can, therefore they have clearly explained what is this concept under the title, and it says this concept refers to the established relationship that suggests how employees perception like this. This is really great. If you don't know what this concept mean, you can read this section, then I'm 100% sure you can understand what this concept mean. And also in the source column we can see the key findings of the related research papers which discuss about the same concept with clickable citation, and this is also super amazing. There are a number of articles findings how they confirm this concept. Now, actually, I think I no need to tell or explain again and again how Scispace is helpful for researchers, and I think you can easily understand. And I can guarantee it and tell Scispace is a must AI tool you should have apart from a ChatGPT if you are a research student. And also, if you want to not if you want to save this information, what you need to do, you can directly export this as a CSV, but actually there's a problem. They doesn't allow to export as CSV for the free users. You should have a premium version, but we don't need to worry. You can do this manually. You can copy the content and paste in a Word document one by one. Not only this, there is another great feature of Scispace. Actually, I too get amazed after I check this, and that is now you can read this content using your own language. There are around, I think, 75 language. Your language also should be there, and I will show and how far this language is reliable, and how far, sometimes language translation doesn't work properly. But let's see. I'm using my language as Sinhalese. Let's see how it. So it says, in my language, සේවක කාර්යසාධනය මත වැටුප් බලපෑම වන්දි පිළිබඳ සංජානනය සහ කාර්යසාධන ප්‍රතිඵල සමග පෙළගැසීම මත පදනම් වන බහුකාර්ය ගැටලුවකි. And this is perfect, easy to understand. And actually, I have no words about this. You can, if you don't have very good English knowledge, you can use your language to read this content. And again, let's go back to our key concept. I want to show you one of my trick. That is what I'm doing to this key concept. I'm copy and paste this key concept into a Word document like this. And first of all, what I'm doing make comfortable this concept to read, like Times New Roman, and font size is 12, and also bullet points, and this is now this is comfortable to read. Now what I'm doing here, now we have the key concepts, and I have an idea how to start my literature review and what to write, so I can find more information related to these key concepts. And also, this is how you can find key concepts related to a research paper using Scispace free version. Not only that, and I have a big offer for you. If you use PMSHA 20, you can get 20% off from the monthly plan, and also if you use PMSHA 40, you can get 40% off from the annual plan if you buy Scispace. I will put the link in the description box. And also, I am more active on LinkedIn, and I am conducting a free statistic lessons for the researchers. Already we have completed 3 lessons, and you can freely join with that if you follow me on LinkedIn. And not only that, there are a lot of smart research writing, academic writing tutorials freely available on my website. You can go and get download completely for free, and the process is really easy. I will put all the links in the description box. I hope you have learned something new today. If it is, please don't forget to like, comment, share.